The Hart 5-tool combo kit. Versatile and control. Half-inch drill driver, impact driver, Recip Saw, includes 2 batteries, charger in the bag. Alright, this is the 5-tool kit from Walmart, from the Hart line, and it sells, currently it's on closeout for usually around $99. I've heard reports of $50, but we haven't seen that as of yet. So this is going to be your basic drill here. It's a rubber chuck. It is a 1/2 inch, which is something you don't normally see in these inexpensive drills like that. This is something I like to see. It's got quite the torque settings, lots of combinations. This one goes up past 11. And it takes the standard little flat battery. Remember, these are cousins to the Ryobi. I really like seeing it in this kind of battery platform. I really wish they would put some lights on here. There's no lights on there. There's no lights on the tool. You just get a guess to see how much power there is. Also, it comes with the impact wrench. Again, this is a brush tool here. You see little sparks in there. Sorry for the helicopters flying over. And then this also works on the flashlight here. And then this pivots so you can position it in different areas. And then this also will fit over like a 2x4 to hold it there. So you can position it in different areas when you're working. Put on the 2x4 and then turn it like that to see wherever you're working. Also comes with the Recip Saw. This is not the best Recip Saw in the world, but it works. It's an on-off. It's not a momentary. It's all the way on, all the way off. You got your lever lock release over here. The foot does not seem to be adjustable. I can't find a way to adjust the foot, so the foot is where the foot is. It's super lightweight. This is definitely homeowner grade, weekend warrior kind of stuff. And then last but not least with this kit is this handy little vacuum. I gotta say, I really like it. It's a pretty, it's got decent suction. This little pops off to clean. Nice little cleanup after the job's done kind of thing. All right, that's the kit there that you get for $100. Now, things we've added for this trip in the RV is, if you could hand me there, Elle, if you could hand me the, sure, any one of those. We've talked about this, which is, of course, the impact wrench. And you may have seen this in one of the other videos we've done. It's a lightweight, light-duty impact wrench. Honestly, you want the 4 amp hour battery if you're going to be using this. These little 1.5s don't do this thing any kind of good. And then also the inflator down there, which we already have a battery on. This thing I love, and we've used this extensively. You got your different bits right here. This cord wraps around here, if I can do it. I don't know, maybe not. Anyway, that wraps around there. I think I went the wrong way with it. Anyway, this is the kind of thing where you just turn it on, keep hitting the start one, and then over here you set your pressure going to hit start or stop. And then this can also change modes. So you put it in the other mode on this side. It's an inflator for like your air beds, pool toys, stuff like that. Anyway, this is currently $20 right now on over at Walmart. This I think was like 110. Honestly, you know, probably usually want to wait for the sale on something like that. Really, I'll say really, that's the thing about the Hart tools, is they're not that great of value unless they're on sale. But when they go on sale, there are some really good sales on these. Also, you know, and the reason we took this when we go RVing is, where's one of the places you can boondock almost anywhere, and that's, you know, Walmart. You're traveling down the road, you just need to stop for the night, get some sleep. You can pull into a Walmart. You need some tools, you need some batteries, you need something, you need some food. You can go into the Walmart. There's Walmarts everywhere. There's like 4,000 of them. By contrast, there's half as many Lowe's or half as many Walmarts. There's 1,000 Tractor Supplies and like 1,000 Harbor Freights and stuff, which is a lot. Don't get me wrong, that's a lot. But, you know, when you need the kind of tools, if that's what you're looking for, they're always there. Well, there's always a Walmart not too far away. Let me take off my reading glasses. Anyway, So that's why we're trying these with this whole RV experiment kind of thing to see, can they keep up with RV life? Are they going to be good enough? And so far, they've been fantastic. The inflator, I can't say enough about the inflator. You know, $20 on that. There's a lot of stuff that gets marked down. You know, this table here. Here, show them the table here. We've seen this table before. This thing went on sale for, normally it's like $50, $60, $70. This thing went on sale for ridiculous prices. And so it's, you know, that's the thing about Walmart is they have great, when they have great sales, and when they blow stuff out, they blow it out. So anyway, let me know what you think about the Hart stuff. Do you have any Hart stuff? Have you been using it? Has it held up for you? Have you had any issues with it? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. Stick around. Don't forget to, you know, don't miss deals of the week and that kind of stuff. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.